Second btech, first semester, regular examinations, November 2024, r23 regulation, jntuh Kakinada. Set number 1, subject electronic devices and circuits, branch EC branch only. Part A, 2 marks questions. Write the expressions for Fermi Dirac distribution function. B, define Fermi energy level. C, draw the circuit diagram and output wave form for half wave rectifier. D, define PIV. What is the value of PIV for bridge wave rectifier? Question E, why do we choose Q point at the center of the load line? Question number F, list out the different types of biasing. Question G, what are H parameters? Question H, write the hybrid equations of CE amplifier. I. Question, define enhancement MOSFET. Question number J, why self bias technique is not used in enhancement of type MOSFET. Part B, second law A, what is need sketch explain the construction, operation and its characteristics of PN junction diode, also list its advantages, disadvantages and its applications. B, write brief note on origin of energy bands in solids with neat sketch and explain the existence of allowed and forbidden bands in solid using EK diagram. Third law A, draw the circuit diagram of half wave rectifier for producing a positive output voltage. Explain the circuit operation and sketch the wave forms. B, explain the working bridge rectifier, give the expressions for RMS current, PIV, refill factor and efficiency. Fourth law A, explain the selection of Q point for a transistor bias circuit and discuss the limitations on the output voltage swing. Fourth law B, explain the detailed different biasing methods for a transistor current with neat circuit diagram and obtain respective stability factors. 5 law A, draw and explain small single equivalent circuit of CE amplifier. B, state and prove Miller theorem. 6th law A, with neat circuit diagram perform AC analysis for common source using equivalent circuit NMOSFET amplifier. 6th law B, describe about small single MOSFET amplifier bracket lo NMOS and obtain the expressions for its transconductance. Thank you.